Hello children, welcome to Math Park. The topic for today is percentiles and quartiles. And we are going to learn how to find the quartiles and the median with the help of cumulative frequency. It's a very important topic children, so do watch till end. So what do you understand when the company says in a statement on the application form that all those candidates above 80th percentile will be offered an interview? What does this mean? Nowadays, when you are giving the JEE exams and all, everybody is bothered about the percentile. So what is this percentile? So the median is very important example, very special example of percentile. It is placed exactly halfway through a list of ordered data. We know that we arrange the data in ascending order to find the median, so that the 50% of the data is smaller than the median and other 50% is the greater than the median. Okay. The other important thing is about the quartiles. So what are quartiles? The two important percentiles that are upper and lower quartiles. These are 25% and 75% of the way through the data respectively. So let us take an example to understand these concepts. So here you are given a frequency table. The information is given about the length of 20 journeys. So distance in kilometer is 0 less than d less than equal to 20 is 2. The frequency is 2 for that, covering that distance. 20 less than d less than equal to 40, it is 3. 40 less than d less than equal to 60, it is 9. 60 less than d less than equal to 80 is 5. And 80 less than d less than equal to 100 is 1. So this is about the 20 journeys. When you add 2 plus 3, 5 plus 9, 14 plus 5, 19 plus 1, 20. So this the total of the frequencies is 20. It is given about the length of 20 journeys. Now from this frequency table, we can create a cumulative frequency table. So we use the upper limits over here. The upper limit of this is 20. And for that, the distance 20 kilometer is only 2 journeys are there such. Okay, then to find the cumulative frequency, we go on adding 2 plus 3. So the next it is 2 plus 3, which is 5. Next goes 2 plus 3, that is 5 plus 9. We go on adding this. These are called cumulative frequencies. So 5 plus 9, which goes 14. And then 14 plus 5, which we get as 19. And 19 plus 1, we get as 20. So these are called the cumulative frequencies. Now, with the help of cumulative frequencies, you can draw a cumulative frequency graph, which is also called an ogive. So here the distance in kilometer will be plotting on x-axis and the cumulative frequencies will be plotting on y-axis over here. So you can see that now we'll start the plotting the points. My x coordinate is 20 and the y coordinate is 2. So here it goes 22. Next is 40 and 5. Then next is 60 and 14. This is the 14, 60 and 14 is coordinate. And then 80 and 19. And then 120. Then we draw a freehand curve. And this is called an cumulative frequency curve or an ogive. Now let us understand with the help of this, how do we find the median? For finding the median, we find the half of the cumulative frequencies. So the total is 20. So 20 divided by 2, we get it as 10. Now this 10, we look on the cumulative frequency. We move on 10 and then from there, we go till we reach the graph and then we drop down. The point on the x-axis is our median. So this is how it goes. Reaches the ogive cumulative frequency and moves over here. So this point exactly on the x-axis is your median and the median here is 51. Okay. Now, how do we find the lower quartile? So we know that we have just seen 25%. So 1/4 of the cumulative frequency is your lower quartile. So we 1/4 of 20, 20 divided by 4, we got 5. We move on 5 on your y-axis. From there, we go across till we reach the graph and then drop down. So when we drop down, we find that it is reaching at 40. So lower quartile is here 40. Now to find the upper quartile, what do? We find 75%. That is 3/4 of the cumulative frequency. So 20 into 3 by 4, we get it as 15. Okay. 3/4 of 20 is 15. We move on 15 on your y-axis cumulative frequency. From there, we go straight till we reach the graph and then drop down. And we reach on 62. So this is how our upper quartile is 62 now. The upper quartile is 62. Now, let us understand how do we find the interquartile range. To find the interquartile range, it is the difference between the upper and the lower quartile. So we know that the upper quartile was 62 and the lower quartile is 40. So the interquartile range is 62 minus 40, which is 22. Got it? Now we will be solving few more questions based on this in the next video. So if you like the video, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.